How to change birthday on Snapchat after limit. So let's get started. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From this interface, navigate to your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. From here, tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Once you get the settings page, scroll down a bit and under support section, tap on I need help. Once you get to this interface, again scroll down and then tap on Contact Us. Here, choose the option that says I need help with Snapchat feature. Now, scroll down and again from here, tap on Profile and Communities. Again, keep on scrolling down and from here, you have to choose My Profile. Now again, scroll down a bit and then tap on Yes. With that, you will have this report form right here. So first of all, you have to enter your username, that is your Snapchat username. Under that, you have to provide the email which is associated with your Snapchat account. And under that, there is a description box where you can type in your request. You can say that you want to change your Snapchat birth date. You have mistakenly added the wrong birth date, so you would like to change it that. You can request them to recover that as soon as possible. Once you type in your description, then tap on Submit. Now your request has been submitted to Snapchat Support Center. Snapchat Support Center will get you back and will help you solve the problem. And that's how you can change birthday on Snapchat after limit. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.